గుడ్ మార్నింగ్ ఫ్రెండ్స్, వెల్కమ్ టు కేఎస్కే ఎడ్యుకేషనల్ ఛానల్. చాలామంది స్టూడెంట్స్ డిఫరెంట్ ప్లేసెస్ నుంచి రిక్వెస్ట్ చేస్తూ ఉంటారు, సార్ ఎలాగైనా మాకు మిగతా లెసన్స్ అప్లోడ్ చేయండి అనేసి. నాకు టైం లేక ఇంతకుముందు అప్లోడ్ చేయలేకపోయా. ఓకే, ఇప్పుడు మీకు ఈ టాపిక్స్ అన్నీ నేను అన్ని లెసన్స్ని ఫస్ట్ నుంచి ఫోర్త్ సెమిస్టర్ వరకు మీకు అప్లోడ్ చేస్తా. అయితే దయచేసి ఒకటి ఏంటంటే, మీరంతా నా ఛానల్ను సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి. ఎందుకంటే ఏదో మీరు సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేస్తే మాకేదో డబ్బులు వస్తాయి అనేసి కాదు. నాకు 1000 సబ్స్క్రైబర్స్ అయితే నేను లైవ్ స్ట్రీమ్ చేస్తాను. ఈ వీడియోస్ అప్లోడ్ చేయాలంటే నాకు చాలా టైం పడుతుంది. ఓకే, దయచేసి మీరు 1000 సబ్స్క్రైబర్స్ అయిన తర్వాత మీరు ఎవరు చేయాల్సిన అవసరం లేదు. ఓకే, నాకు లైవ్ స్ట్రీమ్ చేయడానికి ఈజీగా ఉంటుంది. అదొకటే మీకు రిక్వెస్ట్ చేస్తూ ఉన్నా. మనకు అన్ని యూనివర్సిటీల్లో కామన్గా, అన్ని తెలంగాణ యూనివర్సిటీల్లో కామన్ కోర్స్ సిలబస్ అనేది మనకు ఉంది. ఓకే, ఇప్పుడున్న ఎగ్జామినేషన్ ప్యాటర్న్లో చాలామందికి డౌట్స్ ఉన్నాయి. మనకు ఎగ్జామ్స్ ఎట్లా రాయాలి ఏంది అనేసి ప్రతి ఒక్కరికి కూడా మనకు ఎగ్జామినేషన్ ప్యాటర్న్ వచ్చేసి ఎనీ 3 క్వశ్చన్స్ రాసే విధంగా మనకు ఇంగ్లీష్ లాంగ్వేజ్లో మనకు క్వశ్చన్ పేపర్ ప్యాటర్న్ ఉంటుంది. 20 మార్క్స్ మనకు గ్రామర్ నుంచి ఇవ్వడం అనేది జరుగుతుంది. ఓకే, లెట్స్ గో ఫర్ ది టాపిక్. Stanzas written in dejection near Naples. Okay, this lesson was written by Percy Bysshe Shelley. Okay, the poem is going to explain about the dejection. When he was in a dejection, okay, he was recollecting his sweet memories. Okay, the poem is going to explain about when he was in completely deep depression mood. Okay, when he was recollecting his sweet memories. Okay, comparing with the sweet memories with the bad dejection. Okay, what is the decision he is going to taken by? Okay, let's see the poem. Okay, always remember, every lesson, every summary is divided into 4 patterns. The first one is the introduction part, the second one is the theme of the poem or theme of the lesson, the third part is the summary, the fourth one is the conclusion. Always remember, you should follow these 4 patterns. Okay, in the introduction format, the present poem stanzas written in dejection near Naples by P.B. Shelley. He was an English poet. Okay, the poem is written by Percy Bysshe Shelley. Okay, P.B. Shelley. The poem was written when Shelley and his wife Mary visited Naples during the winter season. The climate was very pleasantly warm and it looks beautiful. Shelley was able to see the beauty of nature and describes, okay, how it was. But when he was alone, okay, when he lost everything in his life, okay, he was unable to find even a little hope. Shelley was suffering from depression due to a number of reasons, so that he feels a beautiful place also a state of depression and wanted to commit suicide. Okay, he had so many problems. Okay, the country has suspended from the England and his poems also rejected in England. Okay, he lost everything, his wife commit suicide. Okay, then he felt very depression and he wanted to commit suicide. Okay, Naples is one of the most beautiful port cities in Italy. The weather there is particularly warm and pleasant in winters. Shelley is going to explain about the nature at Naples. The sun shines gloriously in the clear sky. The sea reflects it. Waves and dance. The sunshine gloriously in the clear sky. The sea reflects it. Waves dance brightly. Sands and mountains reflect in purple color. The shores are wet and the birds are eager to bless him. The winds, the birds, the ocean floods and green plants. It waves hit the shores and break into stars of light. See, he is going to explain what is the beauty nature about the ocean. Okay, the poet sits alone on the sand and observing the sparkling ocean and listening to the sound of the waves. How pleasant all this would be if there were someone with whom he could share the emotion he feels. See, he was sitting alone and he was observing the nature. When he was getting some kind of emotions, nobody was there to share his feelings. That's what he was completely in sad situation. Then Shelley presents his pitiable condition. He lacks hope, health, peace, calmness, power, love, and leisure. He sees others who enjoy all this and who find life a pleasure. Okay, everybody was enjoying, but he was not enjoying because he doesn't have any company. All this and find life a pleasure. He would like to lie down like a tired child and weep away the life of care, which he had to bear till the death because he was born. Death would steal upon him, turning his warm cheeks cold. Some might mourn his death, just he will regret the sweet day is gone. He says that he was not popular, nevertheless, and rejected his poem. They might mourn his death while disapproving of his life. The end of the day will not bring mixed feelings to him, however, since it has been enjoyed, it will live on his memory. Okay, thanks for watching this video.